This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Introduction. Since people appeared on Earth, time has also emerged. For many years, the best physicists and other scientists have been working on a difficult task, which is to understand how to subordinate time and learn how to manage it. However, there is still no apparent progress, and no solution has been found. Time is often called gold because it is the most valuable thing a person has. Everyone is given enough time at birth to realize themselves, but not everyone uses it properly. Time can neither be bought nor taken away. People waste it on something they can live without. Although some people believe that money is a value, over time, they come to realize that the actual value is time. Discussion. Time is a phenomenon of life, and it is complicated to give a specific definition. Being a complex element of the surrounding reality, time has always been the subject of research, but even now, it is not easy to give a single definition with which everyone would agree. One of the standard definitions explains time as an irreversible change in the reality surrounding people. Everything that exists has its beginning and end, and everything changes at a different pace. People divide time into the past, present, and future so that it is easier for them to navigate a constantly changing world, never standing still. Time is valuable for a person because there is not enough of it. Lack of time for necessary or pleasant things leads a person to the next stage, time planning. Awareness of the lack of time and, as a result, life planning leads to the fact that people are able to influence their lives. This is reflected in life by the fact that everyone classifies everything according to the degree of importance for them. A person divides actions they want to have time to do before the end of their life into priority groups. It can be something essential and mandatory, something desirable to have time, and something not of significant value. Time leads a person to realize that not everyone's life is eternal. Therefore, some strive to live their entire life. That is, a person prioritizes things they want to achieve before their life comes to a natural outcome. In addition, some people want to leave their mark on history, that is, to preserve their memory, their kind, and time for posterity. Someone wants to leave behind something that would make people remember them. This includes works of art and many other things in which one can recall the names of people who lived a long time ago but whose legacy still exists. Time has such a feature that its subjective perception is unique for each person. That is, time lasts entirely differently, depending on the age and human activity. In diverse situations, time flows in various ways, and the better a person feels, the faster it flies, and the more critical the case, the more valuable every minute becomes. It occurs that just 1 second saves from death, and it happens that it also destroys people. To understand the value of time, people need to see both sides of the coin to feel both extremes. Some have been given to understand the importance of time without wasting too much, but some only realize by the end of their lives that time that cannot be returned has been destroyed. The value of time is immeasurable because it passes, and it is no longer possible to return it. That is, there is only one opportunity to do one way or another, and this is also the only opportunity that extends to decision-making. People should think over their time in life, and they do not regret evil deeds or lost time. At the end of their life path, they should understand that they have not wasted time on any activity, person, or anything else. Everyone needs to learn to take care of their time from childhood so that later it will not be excruciatingly painful and ashamed of the aimlessly lived years. Conclusion. In conclusion, time is gold and an essential value given to every person at birth. Each person can estimate how much time they have lost irretrievably in their life. The value of time is tremendous for many reasons that need to be considered throughout life. Planning one's own time motivates a person not to go with the flow of energy but to find and realize the path to achieve the desired goals. The realization that time is limited motivates a person to leave behind a legacy in one sense or another. The heritage of people in the form of the next generation's knowledge, skills, traditions, and culture allows society to live on, passing from generation to generation, without losing everything acquired. It is necessary to be able to appreciate the time that is given to each person and use it competently. This essay on the concept of time, Time is Gold, was written and submitted by a student just like you. The Ivy Panda Samples database hosts thousands of works similar to this one on various subjects. Visit ivypanda.com to find what you are looking for, free of charge.